So good day guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let's learn how to connect to a Wi-Fi network on your Windows 11 or also Windows 10. So also work for all version of Windows. So first off, come to your network setting on your tax manager, tax bar. So I click here on my Wi-Fi. So let's take this back again. So just click here. Then list of Wi-Fi networks will be shown. And I want to connect to the first one here. So I tap on it. You can decide to tick this or untick it. So ticking it is showing that you want to connect automatically whenever it is in range. Then here, just tap on connect. Then the next thing to do is to enter the password or the Wi-Fi key. So I go ahead to type my password. So check if it's correct. The next thing is to hit on the next. So on that way, you can actually see I've connected to my Wi-Fi network here on my Windows 11. So like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.